Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Doogee S40. Start by exiting Play Store on both smartphones. Now click on the search bar, type send anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. I already did that on Doogee because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Finally, we can choose receive on Doogee and send on Xiaomi. Then tap on all of those dots and select send. This way you will select all of those files and send them. But we'll go with only one photo, just for example, to save some time, and tap send. Then choose got it, and as you can see from here we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Doogee, selecting allow in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key. And to connect these devices, choose receive. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!